Learning is fun with Vihan's videos. Yahoo! A noun is a word for a person, place, animal or thing. Everything that we can see or talk about is represented by a word which names it. That naming word is called a noun. It includes people, man, scientist, animals, dog, lizard, places, town, street, objects, vase, pencil, substances, copper, glass, measures, inch, ounce. Example: names of people: soldier, Alan, cousin. Names of animals: rat, zebra, lion. Names of places: house, London, factory. Names of objects: table, frame, printer. We'll see you soon with some more videos. Yahoo! Bye!